Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your Canva account settings. Whether we want to update our profile, adjust preferences, or manage account details, we will go through the simple steps together. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click the mini profile logo in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we are there, we just need to click on Settings. This brings us to the account settings for our profile. Here, we can change our name, address, and language. We can also add our links and login via Google from this section. In the Login and Account settings, we can change our password and recovery email address. We can manage our devices, request a download, or delete our account. We also have accessibility options, such as autoplay and auto-reduce motion. We can turn these on or off depending on our preferences. Finally, in the Message Preferences and Privacy Controls section, we can review and update those settings to suit our needs.